Meanwhile, Chris Barsh and his crew are scraping the excess grease off Tower 3 at the Palm Springs aerial tramway.
You're never going to get it all off 100%, but of course we like to try to get as much of it as we can.
The bronze saddle profiles are gunked up with excess from previous greasing and need to be scraped off.
Different rag.
While scraping, they keep close eyes on the emergency backup systems, retainer clips, and cable catchers. Retainer clips are flat pieces of steel that rise above the saddle bronze. They reduce the chance of the cable rolling off in the case of a catastrophic event. But if they ever did, there's a backup. Cable catchers are small hooks mounted below the track cables. They will not only catch the falling cable, they will shut down the tram system upon contact. But these life-saving features came as a result of tragedy. Squaw Valley, California, 1978. At the tail end of the spring ski season, skiers were surprised by a raging blizzard. 44 people rode a tram car to the base of the mountain to avoid the storm. But in the extreme wind conditions, disaster struck.
The nightmare of every skier who ever rode a cable car is that somehow it might come off those cables. And that's what happened here at Squaw Valley.
The tram car fell 23 meters before the remaining attached cable shot it back up into the air. Meanwhile, the disconnected cable, free from the load, came loose and sliced through the car with tremendous force. Tragically, 4 passengers were killed and 22 injured. The incident prompted changes to industry safety practices.
The track rope actually came off of that saddle and it stopped the car. And so they instituted those retainer clips and an additional catcher, if for some reason it were to get past that, that stops it from then falling down off the side of the tower or through the middle of the tower.
These simple pieces of hardware can help prevent another such accident from ever happening again.